Good.
It's already gone.
Oh. Seriously though?
Alright, so we're going to do the Popeyes versus
Chick-Fil-A, or however you say it.
Chick-Fil-A. Popeyes versus Chick-Fil-A. And we're going to do the whole thing. The fries versus the fries. Chicken sandwich versus chicken sandwich.
This is the spicy Chick-fil-A sandwich. There's no mayonnaise, just one lonely pickle.
A pickle.
A pickle, literally. This is their regular chicken sandwich. Again,
Classic.
No mayonnaise. We got 2 pickles.
Now this is the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Mayonnaise, a little bit on the top. A bunch on the bottom with the
2
pickles.
pickles.
That's the classic. And it felt a lot crispier.
Yeah, it does feel a lot crispier than
Now this
Chick-fil-A's.
is the spicy from Popeyes. You have the spicy mayonnaise aioli on top and on the bottom with 2 pickles again.
And we got 2 of those sandwiches.
Because your boy likes spicy. Alright, now we're going to cut the classics in.
Here's the classic from Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. You know what? The champ usually goes second. So I'll put Chick-fil-A second. They're going to cut me a piece of Popeyes first.
Popeyes too?
Yeah. The defending champ always gets announced second. Chick-fil-A is the defending champion of chicken sandwiches.
And here is...
Just to be fair.
Which one are you starting with?
I'll start with Popeyes.
Okay.
Mmm.
Nice and crunchy.
Did you get a bite of pickle?
I did.
Mmm.
It's a good combination.
That pickle's real.
But then again, you like pickles, you can eat a whole pickle, and you like mayonnaise. Which I'm not saying I don't like mayonnaise or pickles. The bun is really soft and like a buttery bun.
Yeah.
It's good. And now we're going to do
Popeyes. I love these drinks.
So I took 2 bites out of my Popeye sandwich.
I
Half a
did too.
sandwich. It was delicious.
I did
It was
too.
good. Now, just in case I am confused, we want to go ahead and take some bites out of my skimpy Chick-fil-A
Can you go and
sandwich.
get my water so I can clear my palate from Popeyes before I go into Chick-fil-A? That's always the best way to do it, I think, is to clean your palate before you taste something new.
I don't even know how to go back to this after eating that.
That's a really interesting challenge.
No crunch, really. Popeyes has the better crunch. Chick-fil-A's bun is good, but the chicken's moist. So, because the chicken's moist, you're not really missing the mayonnaise, but I think the mayonnaise would give it a little bit better flavor, in my opinion. It's good though.
So I ate that whole Chick-fil-A half a sandwich. So I go back to the Popeyes half a sandwich because I enjoyed that Popeye sandwich.
Yeah, I like the Popeyes one more.
There's more crunch to it. Like the pickle was the only crunch I got out of the Chick-fil-A sandwich.
And the ends of the Chick-fil-A sandwich are a little bit more crunchy, but that's it.
It took us an hour to get all this.
Yeah.
I mobile ordered Chick-fil-A, so it was quick. We were in and out of Chick-fil-A. But majority of that hour we spent at Popeyes. The truck just came in today. Oh, and as far as the fries, without Chick-fil-A sauce, I had to give the fry battle to Popeyes too. They're seasoned. Without Chick-fil-A sauce, I don't like Chick-fil-A's fries. They're just plain potatoes. I do like this chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
This is a good chicken sandwich right here. I have no complaints with this Popeye's chicken sandwich. It's a big piece of chicken. Like the chicken's a lot bigger.
Mm-hmm.
It's like they're just taking the chicken breast and just throwing it in the thing with the boneless chicken breast, putting it in the batter, throwing it on bread.
Yeah, pretty much. So I think that's a vote for, out of the two
Popeyes.
classics, will we go to Chick-fil-A or Popeyes? And I think Popeyes won that.
Well, I go to Popeyes when this chicken sandwich craze is over, because I'm not waiting in a line like that again.
Yeah, it was crazy. All right, and now we're going to go to, so this time we each have our own spicy, but we are going to split the one from Chick-fil-A. That's what it looks like.
And there's a lot of food on this table right now. I'm in heaven.
Yeah.
Fat
But
boy gotta eat.
just not only that.
Alright, so right away, a piece of chicken, like chicken crunch, whatever,
Excuse me.
fell off my Chick-fil-A sandwich. I picked it up and ate it real quick. And
That's pretty spicy.
so the chicken is spicy from Chick-fil-A. Just the chicken.
The breading spicy.
Yeah.
It's a nice spice. But if you like spice,
Let's see.
put some hot sauce
Chicken
on
for
it.
chicken. Chicken for chicken. Now that Popeye's chicken got a spice to it too.
Really?
Yeah, just the breading of. You take a piece of this Popeye's chicken right here. Just the breading right there.
But that might be the spice still from Chick-fil-A's.
I don't know. Just the chicken. I caught like a little bit of spice. Not a lot of spice. Not a lot of heat. But some of like the spice. So you don't have. Yeah, you don't have nothing. Yeah. It's like the breading though. I think I just took a piece of bread and not chicken.
I got breading.
But I still had to go to Chick-fil-A for their
See,
spicy
I don't
breading.
get the spice from
piece of skin right here.
Rice.
That right there. No, you don't taste the seasonings?
No.
Okay.
I still have the spice in my mouth, even though I cleansed my palate with a fry and some sauce. I still taste the spice from Chick-Fil-A. So that's probably what you're tasting.
Yeah, so Chick-fil-A spice, as far as spice goes, Chick-fil-A got that. Chicken for chicken. Now, obviously the reigning king, I leave the champ for second. So we start with the defender first.
So we're going...
So you want cheers sandwiches? Cheers. I don't even know where to start. This thing is nice and...
So I got that aioli. I know a lot of people can't pinpoint what the spice is to make the aioli, but I'm guessing it's cayenne pepper, or maybe cayenne, or maybe a hot sauce in there. I don't know. It's good.
Yeah, it looks like mayonnaise mixed with Frank's Red Hot. I put that on everything.
You don't put that hot sauce on everything. You put my homemade hot sauce on everything.
This is true.
We have our 18-month over there eating some mac and cheese.
I'm gonna take a picture, throw them in the video with y'all, so y'all can see what I'm laughing at. Okay. Okay. Hey. Big boy. So, I just took one bite. I like spicy food. Excuse me. I just took one bite of this Popeye sandwich. And it was a good sandwich. I like the spice. I love the spice to
I
it.
took one bite. I took like multiple. I'm halfway done.
I do like this sandwich. I do. Let me see. Take another bite. Let's see.
Really good.
I'm not eating my whole sandwich right now. Just in case I don't like this chicken sandwich anymore from Chick-fil-A. I got deliciousness to wipe it down with.
Goodbye.
Are you gonna go make a fort, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright.
You help me?
After I'm done making this video.
Okay. But I'm gonna be making this.
That spicy mayonnaise is really, really good.
It is. Now here's the.
Ooh. I don't even know if I want to eat this after eating that. It's dry.
The chicken's really moist. The chicken part. The sandwich altogether, because it doesn't have mayonnaise on it or any kind of sauce on it, it's dry. So when something's dry for me, Chick-fil-A sauce, I gotta dip. Sorry.
Now, in my defense, I've never had Chick-fil-A's spicy chicken sandwich. I've always gotten the spicy chicken deluxe. The mayonnaise, the lettuce, the pepper jack cheese, and tomato. That's always the one I've always gotten. So I'm eating uncharted territories now. Never had this one. It was good, but it's dry. As a sandwich and whole combined, the bread and the chicken combined, it was dry for me.
You see what I did?
Let's go ahead and get a bite of this pickle in here. Let's see if the pickle changes.
Touch it.
Yeah. Edit that part out. So, the sandwich is dry. Let's see how it tastes.
Yeah?
For 18-month-old.
Taste what pickle?
Yeah, I'm gonna taste this with the pickle now.
I'm telling you, it has to have mayonnaise on there. Because it's really dry.
Okay, so the pickle was moist. It was so moist, it was soggy. It had no crunch to it. The pickle had no crunch.
What's the video?
Yes, it's over there. We'll go over there. Okay. So we'll finish making this video.
So I'm done my Chick-Fil-A. I'm going back to Popeyes.
Yeah, so the pickle was soggy and it had no crunch to it. It's just, I don't know, man. After eating that Popeye sandwich, I'm just looking at this sandwich like, do I really want to finish it?
Just because I want it. So if he wants it.
But the fat boy in me won't let me not finish it. Nene, come here.
Yeah, in my video.
Come right here.
Well, be in the video.
Taste this piece of sandwich. It's spicy, okay? I know you like spicy.
It's good.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Super delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, eat that, go ahead.
He's sharing his sandwich. I'm not sharing mine.
Let me know when your mouth is empty of that.
No, we're going to have him try the other one.
No, not yet. Not yet. Your mouth is empty? Super spicy, huh? Not too much. It's enough to clean out your mouth. You good?
Yes.
Does your mouth have any flavor in it? Just spiciness.
Good flavor.
Good flavor. All right.
It's classic.
I'll take a bite of this one.
It's so crunchy, you can't even bite it. But he's also missing his two top teeth and one at the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't think you got a good bite of that one.
Why?
Because you really couldn't bite it. Let's see.
Gio! Yes. Gonna have my 14-year-old try. Come here.
There's now bite right there.
He doesn't want to be in the video.
You were already in the video when you were in the kitchen.
Wow.
Good. So
No, come here.
You see that phone?
Was that delicious?
yeah.
Now, which one was better, one or two?
Alright.
One.
You like one better?
Wait, which one was one?
No, just tell me. That was the first one. And that
I
was
like
the
number
second one.
one.
You like number one better, so you like
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A better.
Yes.
Okay.
Eat this.
And now let me have you taste that French fries since
You're a French fry.
you're a French fry eater.
How am I a French fry?
Because that's all you ever wanted growing up. Fries.
Yes, eat this fry.
Yeah.
This is a good French fry.
Not spicy.
You like that waffle fry?
Yeah, but this one probably is more good.
He said it's not spicy. The Chick-fil-A one.
Not spicy.
2.
You like number 2? You like Popeyes French fries?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give him mine.
So my 6-year-old said Chick-Fil-A is better. Well, he said Popeyes fries are better, but Chick-fil-A's sandwich is better, right? Okay.
I like that one better.
My 14-year-old likes Popeyes better. So, as far as on my end, with the dryness and then the moistness, Chick-fil-A's sandwich is dry, but the chicken is moist. Popeyes, the chicken is moist, and
Not so far?
it's not dry. It's really good. Now his mouth is burning, he said. But
I'm a real man. Could you that?
Popeyes all around is the winner for me.
Yeah. From the French fries to the chicken sandwich, Popeyes wins. The only thing they need to get now is mac and cheese. Which I'm pretty sure is fine.
Some Popeyes I heard do sell and some Popeyes don't. It just so happens that the one that we live close to doesn't. But the only thing that they do is give a military discount, which we like because my husband is an Army veteran.
What?
And Chick-fil-A doesn't. But I like Chick-fil-A sauces.
Mm-hmm.
That's what makes like their fries and their chicken and things like that. So yeah, so it's the winner. Literally, chicken. It's not even dinner time. It's lunch, but it's the winner. Until next video, have a good day, night, evening, morning, wherever you're from.
Week, whatever.
Weekend. From our familia, our family, to yours. Deuces.